bowl of gelatin and 1 bowl of stir until gelatin is completely dissolved. Okay, and then the blue coloring goes. So, you stir this until it's completely dissolved. Okay, that looks completely dissolved for me. So, now we're going to get the blue food coloring. Alright. The inside of the container looks blue too. Okay. Stir a little bit in at a time until you dissolve it. Make it as blue as what you want it. If you wanted a lighter blue, make it a lighter blue. If you wanted a darker blue, make it a darker blue. But as you do it, make it till you want to make sure it's completely dissolved. Okay, I want the whole thing in there because I want a really deep blue. And stir until the blue food coloring is completely dissolved. Okay, we need to get back to doing this because we don't have the cups ready yet. The water got hot before the cups were ready. This is going to prevent them from falling apart, and you're not going to Okay. You want to make sure they're level. If they're not, it ain't going to hurt nothing. Alright, I'm going to put this back away. Okay, now let me get something that isn't on that list. Okay. Alright, we've done that. Divide gelatin evenly amongst the 6 cups. Okay. Now I'm going to stir it again. And I'm going to put this spoon in the sink so it's not in the way. And so this is for the blue. Okay. Now this is your standard ice cream scoop. And we're putting it evenly on here. Okay, I guessed it would be an ice cream scoop per one. So I'm just going to dribble, 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 dribble the remainder on here. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Trying to get it as even as possible. Okay, now we're done with the blue. Okay, I rinsed the scoop out. Okay, now let's see what it says to do. Alright. Place in refrigerator for 20 minutes. Okay, so this is part 1 of this product test. So I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Looking at my watch. 2:30. So, and then I'll be back with you. I'm going to give it a half hour to be on the safe side. And see you at 3 o'clock.